Yes, good evening sa inyo lahat mga kasabong Ito na po yung special set and the final set of 4 personal quadro material to Mr. Chuat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsi Game Farm in Bali, Indonesia. Sir, here's the final selection for you, sir. Okay? July 30, 2026. Okay? The first one, sir, these are the radio line. These are the final selection, sir. Look at the male, very nice color, light color, and then the 3 pulit material. So beautiful, sir. These are good, high station, and beautiful winning percentage, high winning percentage, sir. Okay? Very nice, sir. Radio line. And this one, sir, these are the straight line of Albany. Okay, look at the station, sir, very nice. And then the tail, they have a white stream. And then the 3 personal pullets, sir, high station. Okay, very nice color, sir. Radio line and Albany, first and second, sir, quadro. And then here's the third set of quadro material. This is the Bruce Barnett yellow-legged hat, sir. Look at the color. Light color. And then the pullet, sir, also Bruce Barnett. Very nice high station. And then good feather, sir, and high winning percentage. Okay, these are the quadro number 3. And the last one, here's are the Cardinal Club Kelso, sir. Look at the color, sir. Wine red and white leg. Wine red and yellow leg. These are the super special set for you, sir. Look at the stand of male, high station, wine red and yellow leg. And then the females are also Cardinal Club Kelso. These are the special set of quadro, sir. Quadro number 4. Okay? Here's the selection. These are the final for you, sir. Chuat Bali and then Mr. Emil of Tonsi Game Farm of Bali, Indonesia. My future partner. Here's the selection for you. Okay. Yes, good evening, Mr. Dragon.
Yes, good evening mga sabong. This is special request to my future partner.
Mr. Chuat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsi 888 Game Farm in Bali, Indonesia.
Yes, sir. This is final selection, sir. Quadro number 1. This is my super personal AAA material, not for sale. This personal use, but I give to you, sir, because I want to help you to partner with you, sir. This is radio, personal radio, sir. See, look at the color. It's many white, sir, and very long tail and white streamer. And the 3 pullets, sir, is also radio.
That male, sir, if the tail is finished, very large tail, sir, big tail.
Look like 24 karat, sir. Very good color. See, very nice color, sir. Same line but not relative, sir. And this the other one also the radio. See, very good pullet, sir. This one of my favorite bad guys in my yard. Quadro number 2, sir. This final selection also. This one of my favorite bloodline also in my yard, sir. Albany. See, look at my Albany, sir. Very many white in the tail and good good body in high station, sir. This one of my favorite also, Dragon Albany. And the pullet, sir, Albany also, but not relative. The offspring, sir, very nice and very good, and for fighting and for breeding, because this straight line. See, very beautiful, like beauty queen. Good Albany. And the three, sir, quadro number 3 is Bruce Barnett, yellow-legged hats. May also super personal material, sir, of my yard, and very good chicken, sir. Look at the eyes, and white ear, and they have anting-anting, sir. Perlasan. See?
They have a pearl, sir.
Yeah.
Pearl in ears. So very rare.
This is my favorite, sir. And look at the tail. Also, very good chicken, sir. This not for sale, but I give to you, sir, because I want to help you to partner in your area to compete. Very good chicken, sir. And the three pullet, also Bruce Barnett, yellow-legged hats. But like the other, sir, not relatives. Very good pullet, sir. See, same.
Okay, sir. The pullet is in the broadcock, not relative, sir, but same bloodline. So, ready for breeding and ready for battle cross if the offspring is hatch, sir.
See, this is personal material, sir.
Beautiful pullet material, sir.
Very good material, sir. This is not for sale.
And this is the final for the fourth quadro, sir. Here's the Cardinal Club Kelso. Okay.
And this is my also favorite, sir. This is not for sale. Like I said, this is my personal use. Came from breeding pen. This is my Cardinal Club Kelso, sir. But not finish to molting, sir. But the tail is very.
Look at the color, sir. These are the mahogany and yellow-legged color.
This is strong chicken, sir. Strong bones. Very perfect, sir. In the station. This
High station, sir.
Yeah, I recommend to you, sir. This is my very good chicken, because you have out and out Kelso, and you have Cardinal Club Kelso, so you are perfect material came from me, sir. And this is Cardinal Club Kelso also, but like the others, sir, not relatives. See, mahogany ito.
That's the mahogany color, sir. Very nice color.
Yeah, very nice color.
The Inta color of the Cardinal Club Kelso, sir.
See,
Mahogany color and then yellow-legged.
this is my personal super material, sir. Very good pullet. Sir, partner, Mr.
Chuat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsi 888 Game Farm in Bali, Indonesia.
Yes, sir. I hope you like it, sir, because this is my super personal selection material, sir. Came from breeding pen, but I give to you, sir, because I want to help to you to compete your area, sir. I hope you like, and I hope the partnership, sir, is successful. Thank you and God bless, sir. Thank you for the trust. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dragon. Okay, sir, here's the first. Okay, the final selection of Mr. Dragon and Golden Dragon Game Farm 88. This is the radio line, straight line of radio line, sir. And this is the second, it's straight line of Albany. Okay, the third, straight line of Bruce Barnett yellow-legged hats. Look at the size, the station, very nice, sir. Beautiful and perfect. Okay, and then the last, these are the Cardinal Club Kelso. Okay, thank you, sir. God bless and good luck to your breeding. I hope you like it, this video, and hope will successful for the breeding, upcoming breeding in your area. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tiwat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsi 888 Game Farm in Bali, Indonesia. God bless, sir, and good evening.